Hey everybody. Okay, so checking in for 2 days worth of riding that we've got done so far. It's been an interesting night. I've got to be a bit subdued on this one because there was a very big accident at Balagary, which is one of the really full-on corners. Don't know, everything is totally under wraps. I don't know the name of the rider. I don't know the condition. I think it was pretty close to me overall in like on the position of the road because when I stopped, no one else came through behind me, and so you just got to let the guys do their job, let them figure it out as it is. So I'll update you guys when I have more information, but at this point I really don't know what's going on. So anyway, look, we've done, sorry, trying to talk again, brain's going a million miles an hour. Last night did 3 and a bit laps and started to feel it a little bit. Yeah, that was good. Got up to 113 mile an hour. So that was good, and started to really begin to feel the course, feel the bike a bit more. And then for tonight, I got to 114 mile an hour, although the strobe effect, because we started very late in the day, or late in the evening as it were, we started at, I think I was on track by about 20 past 6 or so. 20 past 7, I beg your pardon. So like full on like sunlight, like setting sunlight through the trees, and oh my God, unreal. Like the strobing effect was so gnarly from Union Mills through up the Ballahutchin Straight, through Balagary, through Crosby, all the way to Ballacrane. You were basically, I was hitting the corners because I knew they were there, but I couldn't see them. Like the kink before Balagary, which is flat out in 6th gear. Like I was only doing it because I knew it was there, not because I could see it. Like because the sun is like it's like a spotlight in your face. It's really, really full on. And then when you combine that with the bugs, pretty gnarly. Made a little, I haven't seen the results, so I don't know. And to be honest, the results don't really mean anything at this stage. Again, it's only the 3rd night of practice for me. Everyone else has done the 4, but as you know, we had some issues before, so we missed one night. But for me, it's really on the 3rd night. Still got 2 more nights, and the one on Friday is going to be a much longer session, and that's the one where I'm going to really try and go for it. So I'm still learning, still feeling my way. Everything's going pretty good. The bike is really starting to come in now. Feeling good on the bike. I'm doing very little changes, just a few shock changes here and there, just to try and level it out and be, just enjoy the thing a little bit. Honestly, the speed's going to come with knowing the track. I have to get to a certain speed before I can really make big changes. We dropped the gearing went shorter on the gearing by 2 teeth overall in the last. So 1 tooth last night, another tooth tonight, so going up 2 teeth on the rear sprocket, and that's made a big difference. I'm finally starting to get the drive now I just got to carry more roll speed and everywhere but at least I can see the red lines now. That's the main thing. Anyway, look, yeah, it's a short one tonight. Not a lot to say other than I really hope that the rider in question is okay. Don't know the name, don't know the condition. We just got to wait and see. Anyway, overall, thank you so much to all the sponsors. Matzler Tires, thank you guys. Names on the bike, names on my head, names on the suit. You guys are legends. Cycle News, obviously, for the world's best job. Sean Finley, Kit Palmer, Jesse Ziegler, all the guys at Cycle News. 511 Tactical, thank you so much for coming on board. It's greatly appreciated, especially by other people in the motorcycle industry. Happy days. Alpine Stars as well for the best looking suit on the grid. Heath, I love you to bits, mate. What a legend. PRF Racing, Paul and the boys here at the PRF Racing team, thank you so much. The Isle of Man with Paul Phillips and all his crew for getting this project going. RI Helmets, Jeff Wheel especially has been a big help with this whole thing, so thanks a lot, mate. Suzuki North America for all the help in getting me here. Hard Knocks Coffee as well with Alan Lane for giving us the best coffee out there, and Roland and the legends at Roland Sands Design. Love you boys. And look, that's it for me tonight. Don't really have anything else to report. Now just going to go back, watch some more onboards and come back tomorrow. Come out swinging. It's going to be a good time. All right, guys. Cheers. See ya. Right, so we're back at the house, and unfortunately the news has come through that the rider in question, a guy called Mark Purslow, unfortunately he passed away when he crashed at the Balagary corner. He was actually right behind me, I think. I think he might have been a rider or two, or maybe he even was right behind me, I don't know, because when I got pulled in, actually I came through, where am I? So I got pulled in at Balacrane, but there was no one behind me when I pulled in, and so I can only guess that he was the next guy behind me. Yeah, pretty tough. This is the TT. This is the dark side of the TT. We all know that this can happen, and yeah, we just gotta, I mean, I hate that whole theory of like, racing on in the memory, and I fucking can't stand it when people go, "We died doing what we love," because that's bullshit. Like you don't want to die doing what you love. You want to die when you're an old man or an old woman and comfy and warm in your bed, surrounded by your family. But Mark was 29. He came past me actually on the previous lap and gapped me, like just see ya. I had nothing for him. I mean, he was so much faster than me. Yeah, is what it is. Unfortunately, we'll race in his memory, do all that stuff that we do as racers, and yeah, we'll keep pressing on. So, Godspeed, Mark. I was an honour to share the track with you, mate. See you in the next one. Cheers.